I told you guys to never buy calls at resistance or puts at support, because if we bought a call on SPY right here before it breaks and holds, it is more likely to go down than it is to go up, and you're going to get your faces ripped off. Yes, you have to wait for the break and hold. Then you can look at longing with a stop below it. Masterclass right now again. If you try to buy a call because you're getting FOMO, this is what I talked about Thursday, and you're like, it's going up and it's going to break, and you get a call here, you are more likely to bounce off resistance. That's why it's called resistance to the downside, get your face ripped off, and then all we're going to hear out of your mouth is, every time I buy a call, it goes against me. Yeah, because you're buying it at the wrong time. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Morning, coach.
Yes, sir, coach.
It's the most important thing I can tell all of you if you're going to be scalping this stuff, right? And scalping, for the record, scalping is an intraday term. If I bought it at 9:30 and I sold it at 4 o'clock, that is a scalp. That is an intraday swing trade, even though it is a scalp, right? And we're thinking a scalp, oh, it's under 10 seconds. Wrong. A scalp can be all day long. It could be 4 a.m. in the morning until 9 or 8 p.m. at night. Market open to market close. That is a scalp.